Birds. Birds are all around us. They are beautiful and they fly really high in the sky. But some birds cannot fly. They can run very fast or swim really well. One of the birds doesn't even have wings. This is an ostrich. It is the fastest running bird. It is also the largest bird. This is a penguin. A penguin can swim really well. This is a kiwi. A kiwi doesn't have wings. It is the national animal of New Zealand. This is an emu. It is smaller than an ostrich but larger than a kiwi. The rhea is a bird that looks like an emu. This is a weka. The weka is also called wood hen.